Okay, this is hard to see, but my plan is to splice in here and here. So it does look like oak to me now, down the grain there. It's really solid. It is literally just that top which has got all that character. The rest of the step is just absolutely, that's the character there, but that is solid. So now I've got to try and splice in two inches on each end. I'm not sure which is the best glue really. I love the tight bond, but I do like the gap filling on this lumberjack when you're dealing with old wood. So what does everyone prefer? Do they prefer the tight bond or do they prefer this lumberjack? I've always thought the tight bond is a stronger glue, but the gap filling of the lumberjack can be really helpful, especially with some of my shoddy joints. Okay guys, that's the first one clamped up. Pretty difficult to see. It's not perfect, but I think it's going to do the job and it's going to look pretty cool having those up there. I only need one or two on the next one. That's probably going to be the top, and the bottom is here. It's a pain, this glue, this foaming glue, but I'll clean that and then give it a stain. You can see it's pretty good join. All right. It's authentic dip there. Probably went a bit mad, but that's where the wood originally went. So I'm going to try and keep it like that. It's still structurally pretty good. I'm going to whack some dominoes somewhere in here. I've got to be very careful with the nails. I don't want to do a domino bit on those nails that you saw on the Capex. But yeah, I'm going to get on with that. Second one's ready to glue, so this is what that looks like. It's not bad. I think that one's pretty good as well. So I'm going to take the clamps off the final two treads. We've got one under there, one up here. I've also tried some of the penetrating resin on the end here. You can see the different colour. We'll have a look at the end grain in a sec. And the penetrating resin on the large post. So it actually feels sticky still. So that's a bit odd because I put it on probably about 12 hours ago. It has got a change in colour. I have been told it's going to be sort of shiny. So I'm going to see what happens when you give that a sand. I'm not bothered about it being shiny, but it's probably not going to take on much age from now on. So my plan is going to be to try and avoid putting anything on this oak, any kind of treatment, if I can, maybe mask it up. Just treat this side so that this can silver up as soon as possible, and then you know, blend in a bit better. But let's see how we go on. Okay, so this may be overkill, but I'm going to actually put a domino in each one of these. Through here, so we can see it, yeah, through here. And then that's just hopefully going to stop any kick out if it's going to move. Okay, so I'm finished now. This is ready to install. I've got a cut to length, so you can have a look at these joints. Pretty good, pretty happy with that. So I've now got a domino installed as well. Kind of like a peg joint, I guess. A really quick one. If the weather stays good for tomorrow, I'll be assembling the staircase then.